Brenda, and my project is the recipe of tacos. Ingredients: 1 packet of tacos, 500 grams of minced meat, lettuce, 2 onions, tomato, 150 grams of grated cheese, 1 packet chili, 1 cucumber, and 2 avocado. Equipment: frying pan, blender, knife, plate, bowl, and golden spoon. Instructions: put 500 grams of minced meat, 2 onions and chili into the frying pan. 2. Weld the meat in cooking into the frying pan. Peel the avocados, cut into small pieces and put them in the blender. 3. Stir the frying pan with a wooden spoon and wait 3 minutes. 4. Switch off the blender and pour the avocados soaked in a bowl. 5. Open the box with the bread tacos and put them on a plate. 6. When the minced meat is ready, fill the tacos and add the lettuce, tomato, grated cheese, and pepper. 7. If you want it, spread the avocado sauce in the tacos.
Very good. Very good.